Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss a sample papers. First question, it is a rich source of carbohydrate, wheat and potato. Carbohydrate helps to provide energy for almost all game and sports. 1 gram of carbohydrate on burning give 4 calories of energy, and we should take 40 to 60 to 70% of carbohydrate in our diet. This mineral is essential for health of bones and teeth. Calcium. Which of the following is not a big five personality? Big five personality classify the human personality on the base of emotion of a person's, and it is ocean. Openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. Here's ambivert is not the big five personality trait. Which of the following tests is the best to measure the speed and agility? 4 into 10 meters shuttle run is used to measure the speed and agility of an individual. Bhujang Asana is also known as Cobra pose. In this, the persons lie in proline position, and then he slowly rise up his upper body part and look upward. The formula for calculating the number of matches in knockout tournament. Knockout tournament, it is a tournament in which a team which is defeated get eliminated from the tournament, and number of matches we find it by n minus 1. N is number of team and minus 1. And calculating the number of match in cyclic fixtures. In cyclic fixtures, we calculate the number of match by n minus 1 upon 2, where n is the number of team. English 2 activity for student with disability. Activity for student with disability like Paralympic, Special Internationals, Deaf Olympic, etc. Enlist the spinal deformity and explain any one of them. Spinal deformity like scoliosis, kyphosis, lordosis, etc. In lordosis, our lumbar spine bend forward beyond the normal levels, and the cause of lordosis may be overweight, strength, less strength of the abdominal muscles, deficiency of calcium, etc. It can be corrected through forward bending exercise like toe touching, Paschimottanasana, Pawanmuktasana, etc. What is the role of protective equipment? Protective equipments help to protect from sports injury. Give one difference between long-term endurance and short-term endurance. Endurance is the ability to resist fatigue. Two types of endurance, long-term endurance and short-term endurance. Long-term endurance, in this we do the activity for long period in which our speed is slow. We perform in the presence of oxygen. In short-term endurance, our speed is more, and we perform in the absence of oxygen. Give one major difference between nutritive and non-nutritive component of diet. Nutritive component of diet are those diet which provide you nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. And non-nutritive components of diet are those diet which does not provide you nutrients, but it is essential for the proper functioning of the human body like waters, artificial sweeteners, preservative, roughage, etc. What are the contraindications of self-asana? Contraindication of self-asanas The person suffering from severe back pain, hernia should avoid this. How can athlete overcome aggressions before the match? Take a deep breathing, drink sufficient waters, follow the advice of the coach. Psychological balance. Do not feel stress, tensions. Be mentally ready for the competitions. Focus on your target, proper concentrations, have a self-confidence, etc. Name the major component required for marathon runners. They require flexibility, strength, endurance. Next is write one advantage of physical activity. This is not in your syllabus. Name the posture deformity opposite to knock knee. About knock knee, it is a condition in which the knee touch each other's, and its opposite is bow leg. In bow leg, there is a wide gap between the knee, the leg bend outward, and the cause may be overweight, deficiency of vitamin D, calcium, early walking of child, etc. And it can be performed by inward walking exercise, Earth Mastendra asanas, wearing special shoes, etc. Name the fractures of bones without breaking into two pieces. Fractures, it is a condition in which the bones break or slightly cracking of bones by external force. There are various types of fractures like complete fractures, incomplete fractures, impact fractures, comminuted fractures, oblique fractures, etc. In complete fractures, the bones break completely into two pieces. In incomplete fractures, there is only slight or partially break up of bones. In green stick fractures, the bones partially bend and there is slight cracking of bones. In comminuted fractures, bones is break into small pieces at the site of fractures. Impact fractures, in impact fracture, the fractures bones move inside the other's bones. Oblique fractures, the bones break diagonally. Compound fractures, breaking of bones along with dislocations. And complicated fractures, the bone is crushed along with damaging the delicate organs, like mind, kidney, liver, etc. What is bye? Bye is a sort of privilege given to a team to play directly in second round without playing first round. What do you mean by seeding? Seeding is a privilege given to the team to play in the quarterfinals according to their previous performance. Okay, seeding, it is a special privilege given to the team according to their performance. The team who gets seeding will directly play in the quarterfinals round. Quarterfinals round, and seeding prevent good teams from clashing at the initial round, whereas the weak team is eliminated in the first round only. Explain any three physiological factors determining strength. Strength, it is the ability to overcome the resistance. Okay, strength means the ability to overcome the resistance. There are various physiological factors determining strength, like um, physiological factors determining strength, like white muscle fibers. The persons who have white muscle fibers, they have more strength. Muscular contractions, if the muscle contract, muscle length, usually the if large muscles have more strength as compared to small muscles. Nerve impulse, strong and quick nerve impulse, there will be higher will be the strength. Adequate energy, if the numbers of mitochondria in the muscle fibers is more, there will be the more energy productions, and hence our strength will be more. Age factors, strength strength is maximum at the age between 20 to 40, and then it gradually decrease. Genders, male have more strength as compared to female. Body weight is also the factors which determine the strength. Usually the person who is fatty persons has more strength as compared to lean and thin, etc. These are the some factors that determine the strength. What are the benefit of physical activity for children with opposition defined disorders and OCD, occupational defined disorders? It is not in your syllabus. Next is what are joint injury? Give example from sport. Joint injury like sprain, it is an injury of ligament, it joint bones to bones, and when the ligament sprain, it is a tearing of ligament or damage of ligament. It is caused due to overstretching of ligament or twisting of joint. And is first aid, and there is swelling, pain, etc., and it is mainly occurs in ankles, elbow, etc. And the first aid for sprain is rest as compressions, elevations and rehabilitations exercise. Explain any two macronutrients and one micronutrients. Macronutrients are those nutrients which are required in large quantity. Macronutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fat, and micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Macronutrients. Explain and two macronutrients. Macronutrients like carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, it is the main source of energy. Carbohydrate, 1 gram of carbohydrate on burning give 4 calories of energy. Carbohydrate contains compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygens. We should take 60 to 70% of carbohydrate in our diet. And carbohydrate, it is of two types, simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate, it provides quick energy to the body, and the source of simple carbohydrates are like sugars, glucose, jam, honey, etc. And complex carbohydrate, it also provide energy, but energy release is slow as compared to simple carbohydrate, and the energy content is more as compared to simple carbohydrate. Okay, it provides the energy slowly, but the energy contained in complex carbohydrate is more. So we should take complex carbohydrate more as compared to simple carbohydrate. And the source of complex carbohydrate are bread, wheat, rice, bajra, chana dal, moong dal, etc. And one of macronutrients, proteins helps in growth and development of bodies. It helps in repair of tissue, quick recovery from injury, etc. Protein contains compound of carbon, hydrogens and nitrogens. There are two types of protein, essential protein and non-essential protein. Essential proteins, essential proteins like dairy product, soybeans, pulse, milk, and non-essential proteins like dry fruits, vegetables, grain, etc. We should take 15 to 20% of protein in our diet. Fat contains carbon, hydrogens and oxygens. We should take 5 to 10% of fat in our diet. On an average, 1 gram of fats on burning gives 9 calories of energy. Fat, uh, there are two types of fat: saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Saturated fats we get from the animal product like ghee, butter, animal fat, etc. And unsaturated fat we get from the plant product like peanuts, coconut oil, soya oil, etc. Non-nutritive component of diets, non-nutritive component of diet like waters. We should take in our body 70% of waters. We should waters helps in regulating the body temperatures, helps in transportations of important nutrients, maintaining the body fluids, helps to eliminate toxin, waste product from our body, improve the skin quality, etc. Roughage, or we can say fibers, it is an indigestible portion of food which cannot be digested, and it is found in plant-based product. This roughage help in the digestions. It cannot be digested, but it help in digestions. Next is explain the technique of Parvat Asana. It is not in the syllabus. Elaborate the cause and corrective measured exercise for scoliosis. Scoliosis, it is a deformity of spine in which the spine is bent sideward. One shoulders come downward and other shoulders is rise up. The cause of scoliosis may be leg length different, undeveloped bones of the leg, lifting heavy weight towards one side, overweight, etc. And the corrective exercise for scoliosis are by doing Ardha Chakrasana, Trikona Asana, chin up exercise, etc. What is round shoulders? Write it. Preventive measures. Round shoulder, it is a posture deformity in which the shoulder become round and our shoulders become round and it comes forward. Our head and chin is bent forward, body weight is shifted forward, and the cause may be due to lifting heavy object, weak muscle of the chest and shoulders, wrong postures while writing, reading, etc. And the corrective measures, corrective exercise by doing backward bending exercise like Chakrasana, Bhujangasana, Dhanuasana, reverse back sit-ups, etc. Participation in sports result in all-round development of personality justified. Personality, it is a thing which make a person unique. Personality, it is a typical patterns of thinking, feeling and behavior which make a person unique. Every individuals have their own personality. Personality has 4 dimensions: physical dimensions, social dimensions, emotional dimensions and psychological dimensions. Different types of motivations. The word motivations is derived from the Latin word movers. Mover means to change or to move. So motivation is a moving force which energizes an individual to do an activity. There are two types of motivations: intrinsic motivations and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivations is also known as internal motivations. Internal motivations are those motivations which come from inside of an individual, like trust, hunger, its biological needs, self-esteem, etc. External motivations, also known as extrinsic motivations, are those motivations which come from outside, like reward, punishment, etc. The purpose of zig-zag run is to measure the coordinative ability, speed, etc. What is speed? Write down various physiological factors determining speed. Speed is the ability to do any activity as fast as possible. There are four types of speed: reaction time, acceleration, speed of movement, and locomotor's ability. What are the physiological factors determining speed? White muscle fibers, also known as fast twitch muscle fiber. The persons who have white muscle fibers, they have more speed. Flexibility, the persons who have more flexibility, they have more speed. ATP energy store, the persons who have more ATP energy stores, they have more flexibility. Neuromuscular response. Faster the neuromuscular response, more will be the speed of an individual. Next is explain any 5 types of coordinative ability. Coordinative ability is the ability of an individual to perform the movement perfectly and efficiently. It is the ability to change the directions of movement in quickest time without getting unbalanced. There are 6 types of coordinative ability: adaptive ability, balance ability, combinatory ability, kinesthetic ability, rhythmic ability, and orientation ability. Adaptive ability, it is the ability to adjust. Or modifications of motor activity on the base of comparisons or modifications of new or changing situation. Balance ability, it is the ability to maintain the body or its part in a stable positions. For example, during gymnastics, making the body in a stable position. Combinatory ability, it is the ability to combine one movement with other movement to perform better movement. Means ability to put partial movement together into more complex movement so that our performance will be better. Kinesthetic ability is the ability to realize the kinetic and dynamic features of the movement. Rhythmic ability, it is the ability to understand the rhythm of movement and express the movement in a very graceful manners. Orientation ability, it is the ability of a person to adjust himself as per the time and place. For example, during playground or coordinating the eye and hand movement, leg movement with each others, etc. Classify fixtures. Make a league combine knockout fixtures. Fixtures, it is a systematic arrangement of team, and according to that fixtures, players compete with each others. League cum knockout fixtures. It is a combination tournament. In this, the team is divided into 4 groups. and then there is a competitions in between each others in the group, and the winner of each group will again compete with each others according to knockout ways. Hypertension is common problems nowadays. Hypertension is common problem nowadays. Most of the people suffer due to the this problem. How can yoga asanas help in reducing this shape of life? Hypertension, it is a conditions when the pressures on the blood vessel get high enough, leading to risks other body systems. Okay, hypertension means high blood pressure. When the pressures on the blood vessel get more, there are various asanas which help to prevent high blood pressures, like Tarasan, Vajrasan, Pavan Muktasan, Earth Chakrasan, Bhujang Asan, Sav Asan, etc. These are the some asanas which help to prevent hypertensions. For example, in Savasana, the persons simply lie down in supine positions. His breathing should be normal, his palms should be face upwards. Bhujangasana, he lie down in proline positions and then slowly rise up his upper body part without the support of the hand, etc. These are the some asanas to prevent hypertension. Make a list of Rickley and John test items. Rickley and John test is used to measure the physical fitness of a senior citizen. In Rickley and John test, there are 6 test items, that is chair stand test to measure the strength and endurance of the leg, arm curls up test to measure the strength and endurance of the upper body, sit and wrist test to measure the lower body flexibility, back stretch test to measure the general range of motion of the shoulders, 8 feet up and go test to measure the speed, agility, balance ability of an individual, and 6-minute walk test. This test is used to measure the aerobic fitness of a senior citizen. These are the 6 test items through which we can measure the fitness of a senior citizen. For this Rickley and John test, it is developed by Roberta Rickley and Dr. J.C. Jones. First, chair stand test. In this chair stand test, the person sit down on first the chair is placed against the wall, and then he stand up and stand down on the chair for 30 seconds, and the number of time he stand up and stand down is counted for evaluations. For arm curls up test, he sit down on the chairs, and then he do as many as arm curls up as possible in 30 seconds, and the total number of times he has done is counted to measure the upper body strength and endurance. And in sit and wrist test, the person sit on the chairs, his one foot on the floors, whereas the other leg is extend forward, and then knees should be straight, and he tried to reach forward as much as possible, and he tried to touch his top of the feet and hold that position for some time. If he touches, he get 0 point. If he does not, take negative score, and If it overlap, then positive score. These are the some test items to measure the fitness of a senior citizen.